Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I'm here to do a little review of the TWELVElittle Stroller Caddy. Now I know there have been quite a few videos floating around YouTube about this wonderful little bag from the brand TWELVElittle. I hadn't really found a use for this one for my particular personal adventures as yet, but we did go down to the city today with my brood and my dad, and we went to the museum, so I figured this would be a great option to take because I did actually take the pram for Clara because we were out for a while. I can see why this is so popular. It is a really cool little bag that can be used, of course, as a stroller caddy like it's intended, or it can very easily be just used as a regular bag with the included messenger strap that it comes with. This is really cool. It's a seatbelt style messenger strap with an adjuster and two little clips, so you can clip it onto the sides here on these D-rings and you can carry it as a bag, which works great. And the way I found this when I tried it on as just a little bag over my shoulder, it didn't feel boxy at all. I was really surprised. Like I honestly thought it would feel really boxy on my side, but I guess it's similar to kind of like a GGB BFF, but actually feels a little bit smaller than that. Less bulky. Stroller Caddy also comes with two stroller hooks, which are faux leather stroller hooks. I didn't actually use these today. I used my custom made GGB ones because they're already on my stroller, but these are really, really nice too. So I will show you how I have this packed. Now I did actually end up putting everything in here that I would normally put into my diaper bag, and it just worked awesome. The only thing I needed to take were a couple of fuel cells with snacks and separate drink bottles that pop down the bottom of the stroller, but everything else came with me in this stroller caddy. So if you're not familiar with the TWELVElittle Stroller Caddy, you do have a zipper at the top here that's an easy access zipper, which is really cool. You have a little grab handle here. You have a flap here with a little section for wipes, which I'll show you in a second what I put in there. We'll start with the front here. This is a really nice flap. There are magnetic closures here to keep this flap closed so it doesn't flop open on you. There is a leatherette little logo here, and this clip here, there's a loop down the bottom here, so it goes through the loop and clips closed. I honestly just left it unclipped. There are magnets. There's one magnet here, another magnet here, and they're nice magnets. They do find their spots very nicely, so I had no issues with this staying open or worried about anybody easily getting in without actually physically opening up the flap. So I'll just open it up here. You do have, as I said, you have the zipper here that you can easily access everything, which is really cool if it's on your pram and you just want to grab something really quick, or even if you've got it over your shoulder and you want to reach in and grab something for baby really quickly. So when you open it up here, there are two slip pockets here, and on this side I just had my keys, and on this side I have a small set piece with my lipstick and lip gloss and stuff inside. And then on the side here there is a little slip kind of elastic pocket here, and I just had my phone in here. You could put a bottle in there, but I don't like the look of that sticking out, so I just put my phone in there instead. And then on this side, as I said, there is another pocket that's designed for wipes. So I actually have, as you can see, I'd just use one. I actually have a full-size 60 count wipe pouch in there, and it worked really, really well because my daughter had a runny nose, and for my kids I needed wipes all day long, and it fits perfectly in this little section right here. So that's what I actually had in there all day long. So inside here there are three sections essentially. There's this wipe section here. This one can't be removed, it's sewn in, but you do have another one here that you can unvelcro this one and just put it against the back of the caddy, so you can have this whole section free right here. So in this section I just had actually three nappies, what we use when we were out, and my TWELVElittle companion Nappy Changing Pad. I had a play pack case with some coloring things for lunchtime for my girls. I had a small TWELVElittle pouch from the trio set with a change of top for my 2-year-old. You can see in there, it's a little dark, sorry about that. I've got two things of tissues, a coin purse with a brush and hair ties, small set piece with my Mommy Med Kit essentials, hand sanitizer, And then there's a zip compartment back here, and I had 2 coin purses with some disposable baggies and panty liners. And then in this section here, over this side, I just had my Lily Jade wallet. Now I just wanted to show you, you can actually fit a container into that section if you wanted to as well, but I ended up having my drinks in the stroller anyhow. So, and then I'll just show you real quick how this actually de-velcros. So it comes off like this, and just you can put it aside like that. So you can have that whole section if you wanted open. The only thing I feel like if you did that, you're not going to have access to the zipper very easily, but it is an option if you want to use this for something other than, you know, with the sections. I really did enjoy this little caddy today. I think it worked really, really well for our needs, and I am excited to keep using it. Maybe I'll try it out as a camera bag at one point, or I might actually store some of my things for my business in here. So we do sell this at Zara May Boutique. We have 2 prints in stock at the moment. We have the Cactus print as you see here, and the Stripes print, which is also really, really pretty. So I will leave the link below for that if you want to check that out. And thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please pop them below, and have a great afternoon or day or morning, wherever you are. Thanks a lot. See ya. Bye.